Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I have come up again to clarify some of the doubts regarding Wipro that are emerging in your minds day by day. So I thought of clearing some of them. So the few doubts, as you can see on my screen, are the very common doubts. This is like the background verification, onboarding details, whether you are a phase 1 or phase 2 candidate, and the addendum letters, and many more doubts in Wipro. So watch the video till end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, also hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get all possible updates. And don't forget to join my Telegram group. There I post all the updates which are not possible for me to post on YouTube. So join there also. So let's start with the video. So the first doubt is background verification in Wipro received twice or not. So many of you guys have received background verification mail like this. So this is the mail from the campus HR team. This is the mail like thank you for your interest in joining Wipro. As a part of our hiring process, we need to conduct background verification necessary for employment with Wipro. So this is a sort of mail you will receive for background verification, where you will be asked to upload all your work experience, address check, your UG, PG and all education documents, Aadhaar card, ID proofs like Aadhaar card, PAN cards and all the documents, and also you have to accept the letter of authorization. So after you receive this sort of mail, you have to click here to access the ICIMS candidate desktop. Okay, so after you click on this portal, you will receive an error message from Embark portal. Okay, so see, this is the page. After clicking on this link, this is the page that will redirect you to this page. This is the career page of Wipro, and you have to log in with your email ID and password. After clicking on that, you will get this dashboard. Here the name, you will get your name, your dashboard, and you have to click on background verification. There are more fields like boarding pass form, and all this are not applicable for you right now. Only background verification is important for you to join right now. So you have to click on that and then fill more details. So after clicking on fill more details, you will see that Embark pre-offer portal is going to open, and in that Embark pre-offer, it has been like 2 to 3 days from now that it is showing error. You are not able to upload your documents. So many of you students are messaging me that what to do. So I will suggest you, this is a glitch. See, myembark.wipro.com says error. So this is their website glitch. Don't panic, don't worry. They will sort this issue with the technical team. This is a technical error from their side, from their end, not from your side. So they will sort this out very quickly, and you don't need to worry. And they will also extend the date if they fails to do the site properly. If they fails to manage the site on time or make it correct, then they will increase the date of your filling up the forms. Okay, so no need to worry about this. The second thing is, many of you guys have received the letter, received this sort of mail for background verification, but there is no link. See, document verification update during the internal audit process, it has been observed that you are yet uploaded the mandatory documents, and background verification to close the audit reconnection of your candidature, you are requested to upload the pending documents, and you are requested to upload the pending documents. Okay, so wait, let me show you. Okay, so now you can see, dear internal audit team, it has been observed that you are not yet uploaded all the mandatory documents in background verification. To close the audit reconciliations of your candidature, your request to upload the pending documents. So they are asking to upload the pending document, but as you can see in this mail, there is no link to upload the pending documents. So how you guys can upload? So I will suggest you guys, mail to the manager.wipro, and within few hours or within 1 or 2 days, you will receive a reply from their end, and you will receive the BGV link to upload the documents. So no need to worry about it. Okay, so many of you guys have consecutively you have messaged me that why I am getting this sort of mail, no link is there, what to do. So no need to panic. All the things are happening in phase wise manner, so you guys will definitely receive the mail. Okay, the second thing which I will discuss is onboarding details. So guys, I would like to tell you that for the phase 2 candidate, the onboarding will start in the month of July. The Wipro team is planning to conduct the onboarding from July. And for further queries or further, more details, if you want more details about the exact date and all, I will suggest you guys to attend the orientation session, which happens every Friday from 4:30 p.m. It is a 45 to 50 minutes of orientation session every Friday. There one of the team member of Wipro joins and tells you about the onboarding and the hiring process. Also, they provide, after the meeting ends, they provide you the survey link in which you fill up your problems, what are your doubts. Many a times, during this background verification, you will face gender issue while uploading, or your documents are not being uploaded successfully, or phone number issue or gender issue. These are the common problems which happens during this document verification of Wipro. Okay, every year this happens. So if you want to tell your problem that you are also facing the same issue, you have to fill that survey link and send to the Wipro team. Okay, so this was it. Then the next was phase 1. You were not able to you are not able to know that either you are a phase 1 candidate or you are a phase 2 candidate. So I will say you that if you have given exam in the month of September or October in 2021, then you are a phase 1 candidate, because phase 2 examination was conducted on February 2022. So if you have given the exam after February 2022, then definitely you are a phase 2 candidate. Otherwise you are a phase 1 candidate. So don't have that confusion in your mind that whether you are a phase 1 candidate or a phase 2 candidate. Okay, so then I will tell you about the next is about the addendum letter. About the addendum letter, I will tell you that many of you guys have received the addendum letter. Many have not yet received the addendum letter. Okay, so no need to worry. Many have received the BGV link, many have not received. So everything is happening in phase wise manner. Okay, many have received both. So I will tell you, see, this is the sort of addendum letter. There you have to open this mail in your laptop or desktop. Then you have to click on this link, and this is a one-time link. Keep that in mind. Okay, so like your offer letter, this is also your one-time link. You have to click on accept, then click on signature checkbox, click on submit and print, then click on web browser, Ctrl+P and save as PDF. Your PDF will be submitted. So that is your addendum letter. And what is the details about addendum letter, what are the points covered, or what is the addendum letter? If you want to know more about it, you can drop your comments. I will explain it about that also. No issues. But further, if you have any questions about the details of your offer or about the employment at Wipro, please reach out at manager.campus@wipro.com. So you can mail it here. You will get the reply as soon as they see your message. Also, it has happened with many that you have received your BGV link, you have uploaded your documents, and then you have received the green audit mail. Still after before 2 to 3 days, you have received another mail from Wipro team to upload your documents. So this has happened with many students. Then one of the students have mailed to the manager, and the response that has come from the manager's end is that please ignore the mail which you have received related to BGV link. So I would say that this is a type of system generated mail. Okay, so system generated mail, they have sent that BGV link to many students. So they have not seen that whether you have already received it or not. Just a system generated mail. Specifically, they have not seen that whom they are sending or not. So no need to panic if you have already submitted, because your Embark portal will show 100% profile. Then you are not able to submit it another time, right? So no need to worry about it. Yes, if your Embark portal is incomplete till now, then definitely go and complete your Embark portal. And also, if you have received the green audit mail, then no need to panic. The next will be the onboarding process. And if they have any problem, like after you submit the Embark portal, in the documents in the Embark portal, if the manager has any issues, like here one of the students, dear Abhishek, he has mailed to the manager about something. Then the manager has replied that please provide necessary clarifications regarding address proof in the verify portal. Okay, so in the Embark portal only they will provide ask you to provide the address proof. That can be your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, or any other ID proof. So you have to provide necessary details, whatever they are asking for. If you are not able to provide, then they will send you like this clarification mail, right? Because the audit team is continuously keep on checking your documents, and all the team is already seeing your document whether all the things are uploaded correctly or not, and everything is being under analysis. So the team has only contact to Abhishek regarding the address proof. He has, I think, not not updated or not uploaded the address proof, so the team was having issues, so they have mailed him. So like this mail you can also get, and after you get this, please provide all the necessary documents, and no need to panic. If you have got the offer letter, then definitely you will get all the necessary mail, like the verification mail, onboarding or whatever addendum letter, everything you will get. No need to panic about it. If your friend has got, then you will also get. If you have any further queries, then you can definitely drop out your comment. I try to reply all your comments. And so yeah, this is all about today's video. So if you like my video, I think it is really helpful to you guys. So if you like it, definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel, and no need to panic. Stay happy. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.